Hi and welcome. In this video, let's see how you can edit the variation product. Maybe you want to add another variation of the product, or you want to add another option for the variation. And you can also see here that I did make a spelling mistake. Let's see how you can edit all this. Or if you want to edit the image, you want to edit the price of a variation. Let's see how you can do all that. So go ahead and log into your store. And this is a product that we created. This is a variation product, and you can tell that it's a variation product because you're being told on this side the variants that it's got. So to edit it, I'll just click on it. And the first thing, if you want to edit the image, you can easily just edit the image for the variation, for the different variations here. So for this, if you want to add an image, I'll just click here and I can upload a different image, or I can just use that image which is there already, and then I'll click on save, and you'll see that the image for that variation has been changed. So you can also do the same thing by clicking on this edit. And if you want to delete any of this, if you want to delete any of the variations that you've created here, any of these variation products, you'll just click here on delete, and it will prompt you to delete the variation. And if you want to change the price, you can go ahead and change the price here. And if you want to create something like a discount whereby it is $80, but you want to say it was 100 before, you'll click here on edit, and we're going to do that in a moment. So if you want to change the overall details for the product, of course, you'll just edit the descriptions right here. So let's edit this. So if you want to change the price of a particular variation, you can just change the price here. And if you want to edit a different variation, now we're editing this variation. If you want to edit a different variation, you'll just click on this, on the variation that you want to edit, and the variation that you're currently editing will change. So if you want to compare price, comparing price just means that it was 100, and now it's 50. So if you save this and you go to the product variation for this, you'll see that the price was 100, but now it's 50. So let me just save this, and then I'll come here and I will reload so that we can see the variation for 8 GB. So the variation for 8 GB, you'll see that the price is at a sale. So if you want to do something similar, you can just do that within here. And if you want to change the inventory, you can also check that inside here.